So we've learned about the strategy. We learned fundamentally how we can potentially find an edge. We learned about timing and why that's so important in terms of trading and finding an edge. It begs the question, how can you find trades just like Alibaba, like I did for as an example, on a daily basis, consistently and easily? Well, this is really where the OptionsPlay tool has automated every single step that I just showed you here today. There are three things that we look for on our credit spread opportunity report. Number one, we only scan for credit spreads that collect a minimum of 33% of the vertical width. But many times we actually find credit spreads that are 40, 41, 42% of the vertical width in some of our trades. So first thing, what we want to do is we want to find credit spreads where you have a risk to reward ratio that's skewed in your favor. Number two, what we want to also do is we want to only scan for very liquid symbols, meaning stocks that you will be able to execute your options trade on at the midpoint or within just a couple of pennies off that midpoint. We do not want to scan for stocks that are not very liquid. And number three, what we're trying to do is find stocks that from a timing perspective aligns with your the bullish or bearish view. Meaning if you're looking at bullish opportunities, we're looking at stocks that are pulling back, meaning pulling back within a bullish trend, or if you're looking for bearish opportunities, looking for some of those rallies in order to get access to those types of opportunities. And this is really where the OptionsPlay tool automates everything, every step for you. So when you go to your ideas, section on your OptionsPlay platform, underneath the idea section, there's a drop-down menu for specific types of ideas, and we have a drop-down menu specific for credit spreads. And when you choose ideas under credit spreads, what you're going to get is a list of credit spread opportunities that are sorted based on the premium versus width, meaning which strategies give you the best risk to reward ratio. I always start my way at the top of that list and work my way down. And generally, you're going to find plenty of trades in that 40% range. So 33 is the minimum that we want to collect. But usually at the top of the list, there's at least a few that are collecting close to about 40% of the vertical width. And that's really where I spend most of my time looking at those types of opportunities. And if there are none, I walk away and I come back another day to trade. But this is really where I find some of the best trading setups from a credit spread perspective. So I'll just show you that here on the OptionsPlay platform. So you go to the ideas section of your platform, and then right underneath, we have technical ideas, cover call ideas, short put ideas, and we also have credit spread ideas. So the credit spread ideas will give you these trades that have done all of the work and automated everything that I've just taught you here today. Like I said, it looks for credit spreads that collect more than 33% of the width, but what I'm really looking for are the ones that are in the 40s. As you can see, these are all the ones that are kind of in that 40% range. These have already been scanned for liquidity, so these are all very liquid symbols. And number three, they have a technical alignment on waiting for that pullback on bullish trades and waiting for that rally on bearish trades.